Makeup is expensive these days, even with drugstore. Like there are some drugstore makeup that are for like $15-16, but I have found some amazing makeup products that are under $10. Or if you are watching from India, these are under 1000 rupees, and this is what I'm wearing today. And nobody can tell you are actually wearing drugstore affordable makeup. And some of them actually give solid competition to my other high-end makeup products, and some of them are actually really good dupes for high-end makeup. These are like my ride or die favorite products, and I'm not making this video just for the sake of making it. You guys probably know I would never recommend any product that I do not use for myself. I do not like have enough experience with. I am never ever going to do that. These are my tried and trusted makeup products, and I often travel with them. That is how much I love them. And if you are on a budget and if you are looking for some amazing good quality drugstore products, then please keep on watching. I'm starting off by applying a primer, and you guys probably know how much I love my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer or their Putty Primer, but today I'm going to use another favorite of mine. This is a current discovery. This is my NYX Face Glue Primer, and this is their take on the Hydro Grip Milk Makeup Hydro Grip situation. But I'm glad that they threw on their own touch. Like the packaging is... Please come out. Yeah, the packaging is super duper cute. It's like a glue and it's milky white. So I really like this like innovative and unique touch that NYX decided to add to this primer. And it is not like as sticky or as grippy as my e.l.f. primer, but it gives a nice amount of tackiness and it is hydrating. It makes my makeup last all day long. And if you guys are from India, here are my two favorite primers from India. One is from Lakme, that their blur primer. You guys have probably seen me using it back in 2018 2019, and I recently got the Colorbar primer. Oh my god, it is like one of the most beautiful blurring and pore filling primers out there, and I will pop up pictures over here or I will link it in the description box down below. So if you are watching this video from India, check those two primers out for sure. Moisturize my lips, I'm using a current favorite product of mine. This is the Revolution Beauty Peptide Lip Balm. Like you can definitely use it as a lip gloss, lip treatment. It has got peptide, squalane, vitamin E, cherry seed oil, chamomile oil. Like the ingredients are super nice. It's not sticky, not gooey at all, and it's so nourishing. And look at the shine. You can use it as your lip gloss as well. Next comes foundation, and I kid you not, for foundation I can instantly give you 7 to 8 options that are under 1000 rupees or $10. You guys probably know how much I love this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I recently repurchased it. It is phenomenal. But today I'm going to use another favorite of mine, and they are like when it was first launched, it created a lot of buzz. Then the buzz kind of like dried down. I'm talking about this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD foundation. This is the illuminating one, and they have a matte version as well, which I love during summertime. So depending on your skin type, you can either go for this one or the matte one, and this is the shade Warm Beige. And to blend it out, I am using my e.l.f. Cosmetics buffing foundation brush. Absolutely love this brush as well. It's like one of the best drugstore foundation brushes that I have ever used, and look at the way how the foundation is blending so far. It's like 2 taps and it's all blended, and it's a medium coverage foundation that gives you a natural skin-like finish. Now on me personally, it lasts up to 8.5 hours without fading or budging. And look at the finish. I absolutely love this foundation, like 10 on 10. For my cream contour, you guys probably know how much I love this Wet n Wild contour stick, and I got the shade Walnut. Though the packaging is not the best with this one, because this is my second time purchase, and every time the packaging, the cap kind of breaks. So that is that, and let's just apply this on my face. And the formula is super creamy, and it lasts all day long. It blends like butter. I'm using this Real Techniques foundation brush to blend it out. I love the shape of this one. Do you see how pinched it is? It is dense, it is pinched, and it is just perfect for blending out your cream contour, cream blush. I will link the number and the purchase link in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. And look how easily this bronzer stick is blending. We are nice and bronzed, and next comes cream blushes. And for cream blushes I have 3 options for you, and I love all of them. First one is this Wet n Wild MegaGlo lip and cheek blush. I have done a full in-depth review here on my channel. I will link it in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. And these e.l.f. Camo blushes are my absolute favorite, but this is such a hidden gem at the drugstore. This is the soft matte cream blush from LA Girl. If I compare the pigmentation level, the most pigmented one is this LA Girl one, and then this e.l.f. one, and then this Wet n Wild one. You need to build it up with this one, but they all blend beautifully on my skin. But with this LA Girl one, there is a learning curve because it's a moussey thick consistency. So what I like to do is I take some of it on the back of my hand, and then I kind of warm it up like this one, and then I take a brush and I just stamp it on my cheeks, and that way it just blends beautifully. Like, look at the pigmentation. I have never had any kind of like patchiness going on or any kind of blending issue with this particular blush. So yeah, if you have tried this one, try this method out and you will be amazed to see the result, and it lasts all day long. Like, I often reach for this formula over my other high-end blushes, and look at the shade. It's just that perfect cool toned pink shade for my tan brown complexion. Now for concealer, I probably sound like a broken record at this point, but I really love these e.l.f. Camo concealers. These are full coverage, does not crease, very creamy, and lasts all day long. And to blend it out, I'm using this tiny little sponge from Wet n Wild. It came in a total of 3 pack, and I paid like $6 or something for this 3 sponges, and that was a really good deal. This concealer gives solid competition to all my high-end concealers. Like, I often travel with it. It is that good. Now to set all those creams in place, my Maybelline Fit Me, you guys probably know how much I love it. And to set my entire makeup, I am using my current favorite one. This is from NYX. It's their Can't Stop Won't Stop powder, and you guys can see I have already hit pan on this one, so that's how much. A bronzer and powder blush, I'm using my 2 current favorite ones. This is my NYX Buttermilk blush in the shade For the Butter. It matches this e.l.f. Girl blush perfectly, though I do not really need a lot of blush because my cheeks are already pretty blushed up, but I am going to use blush anyway. And this NYX Buttermilk bronzer in the shade Butter Biscuit. This formula is so beautiful. It melts like butter on the skin. It's so seamless, easy to blend, easy to work with. And with this blush formula, actually there are 2 finishes. One is the shimmer formula and one is the satiny matte formula. I do not like the shimmer formula that much for my complexion because they kind of emphasize the texture on me, but I love this satin formula and they last all. Honestly, sometimes I just forget how pigmented these are and I just go ham with them. Anyway, there is an honorable mention that is my favorite as well. Do not sleep on this Essence Pure Nude blushes. You can see it's pretty beaten up just because I love it so much. It's smooth like butter, it blends beautifully, it lasts all day long. These blushes are like 10 highlighter, and you guys probably know how much I love my Wet n Wild Precious Petals or my Maybelline Molten Gold, but here is another one. If you are looking for a beautiful champagne highlighter, definitely check these Revlon ones out. It just melts onto the skin like butter, and you can apply just a tiny little bit to have that glow from within kind of a look, or if you want that Baba Boom kind of highlight, build it up. And it does not emphasize any texture and it looks super beautiful on the cheek. This is such a good one at the drugstore and it is under $10. To show you how good this highlighter is, this is my Pat McGrath highlighter and it is broken as you guys can see. So yeah, here is my Pat McGrath highlighter right here, and here is a swatch. Now let me just take my Revlon one, and here is a swatch of the Revlon one. Like, these are identical. You can see like the formula feels exact the same. So my $10 Revlon highlighter gives a solid competition to my luxury bougie Pat McGrath highlighter. So it's your call which one you are going to pick up next. To set my entire makeup in place, I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Like, this is a jumbo size and it's like under $15 or so, and there is a smaller or regular size as well that is under $10, and you guys probably know how much I love this setting spray, and it is probably my 3rd or 4th bottle. Absolutely love it. For eyeshadows, I cheated just a little bit because the eyeshadow that I'm going to recommend you, it's like for $12, but you can always get it from sale. I paid only $7 for this eyeshadow, and it's the current obsession of mine. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, the true icon eyeshadow palette. You guys, like, everybody is raving about this eyeshadow palette for a reason. The mattes are super beautiful, pigmented, the shimmers are duochrome, foiled, metallic, and these cream shadows are really easy to work with. They do not crease, do not buzz at all. I do not experience fading at all with this eyeshadow formula. So I actually filmed an entire eye look yesterday, and I have those clips. I'm going to attach those clips here. And actually for today, I'm going to create some other eye look for some other platforms of mine. So yeah, since I had those clips, I'm going to attach it right here. Let's quickly fill in my brows. And when it comes to brows, I am not going to lie, I actually struggle to find a good like brow product at the drugstore. So today I'm using my Wet n Wild brow pencil. I do like my NYX brow pencil as well, but I completely ran out of that one. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild one for today's brow look. It is a pretty decent pencil. Is it the best one? No, but it gets the job done, and it's under like $5. Look how beautiful the palette is, and a lot of people actually compare it to the Patrickta one. I do not have the Patrickta eyeshadow palette, so I cannot compare it with the Patrickta one. Can you see how beautiful these are? And again, these are actually duochrome shadows. So for $12, you are getting some fantastic mattes, some beautiful duochrome shadows, some beautiful matte shadows as well. So check this one out, and you are going to love it. Now when it comes to eyeliner, this Milani Kajal pencil is so good. I just cannot stop raving about this one. But again, I use it all the time. So today I'm going to use this Balm one. This is an Indian drugstore brand, and if you are watching from India, definitely check this one out. This is a viral product for a reason, because the formula is amazing. It lasts all day long, you guys. You do not need to spend a fortune to get a good eyeliner. This one is just bomb degree. Again, if you are from United States, check this Milani one out. It lasts all day long. It works really well on my waterline, and it does not smudge easily. If you are from India, check out this Balm one. It's a solid kajal pencil, I'm telling you. Mascaras, Essence know how to do their mascara. This mascara is under $5 and it's my holy grail, and I have gone through multiple of them. This mascara is really stunning. You saw how effortlessly and beautifully the shadows blended. This eyeshadow palette, I am telling you, they're like 10 on 10 recommend. Now next comes lip products, and for lip products, lip liner is a must at least for me, and I have 4 lip liner pencils that I swear by. The formula is super duper long lasting, smudge proof and budge proof. And I have already done my lip combo because I was filming it for my Instagram. By the way, if you are not following me in my Instagram, please do follow me there. This Milani Understatement lip liner pencils, these are retractable, these are so creamy, so pigmented, and super duper long wearing. I love their wooden pencil as well. These are their color statement lip pencil. I have 2 shades and I absolutely love these lip pencils. Next 2 are my recent discoveries, and the formula of these 2 pencils feel exact the same, and I have a feeling that they are made in a same facility. These are my Maybelline lifter liners. You guys probably know how much I love these lip pencils, and I always rave about them. And these Revlon Color Stay long wearing lip liner pencils, I'm telling you, once they are on, they are not going to move or budge. So once you first apply them, this feels super duper creamy and pigmented, and just let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes and they are going to be super duper smudge proof. For lipstick, nothing can beat my Revlon lipsticks. These are cult classic for a reason. These are pigmented, these are very comfortable on the lips, and they last for a really long time. So today I am wearing this Milani lip liner in the shade Sienna, and I used my Ram Resin from Revlon, and I topped it up with my all-time favorite gloss. This is my Maybelline Lifter gloss in the shade Topaz, and don't you think it is the prettiest lip combo and the nude brown lip combo for my skin tone? Absolutely love it. Now here are the swatches of those 2 lip liners. Let me just show you how smudge proof these are. Like, do you see I am rubbing super duper hard, and I could not even move them. These are that long. So we are about to finish the video, and honestly guys, like, I cannot believe that I'm wearing all drugstore affordable makeup. Like, this makeup is giving me high-end luxury. Like, this is giving me quality. And if you are on a budget, definitely go ahead and check all those products out. Like, I swear by them. They are my ride or die favorite makeup at the... Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you have tried any of these products, then feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any holy grail drugstore makeup that you want me to try out next, then feel free to comment down below as well. Please give the video a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. And I will see you pretty soon in a brand new video. Till then, bye and take care.